This is the Clone2Elementor Google Chrome extension. It lets you convert or clone any website on the internet into a fully editable Elementor website. Now let's convert or clone some Webflow templates. I will go for this one. I have already opened it, and here it is, the Webflow template that I am going to convert to Elementor. I will simply click the Clone2Elementor extension. Then I will copy the design of this Webflow web page, one section at a time. Now I will come into my Elementor editor, and just like before, I will click Paste from Other Sites, and then press Ctrl-V. Alright, so this is our Webflow template now inside WordPress Elementor. I have added a few more sections from the Webflow template. Let me preview the changes on the front end. So this right here is our Webflow template now inside Elementor WordPress. It is fully editable, and it is almost the same as the original website. So that is how you clone any website on the internet into an editable Elementor website. The Clone2Elementor extension was developed by Copyblocks, and they also have another extension called Clone2WordPress. The Clone2WordPress extension allows you to clone any website on the internet into editable Gutenberg templates. So this is the Clone2WordPress extension, and it works similarly to the Clone2Elementor extension, except that it uses the Gutenberg editor instead of Elementor. Check the description of this video for the download links to the Clone2Elementor and Clone2WordPress extensions. Thank you for watching. Like this video, share it with people you believe might find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more useful videos like this.